So we've been talking about Peter Michael, who is a distant relative of mine through my maternal grandmother. Her mother, her uncle, my grandmother's uncle, married into the Michael family. And that is our connection. And I found him because he wrote a book about the Underground Railroad in the area of Frederick County. And in that book, he mentions literally Uncle Otho and Aunt Bertha, which is exactly what Mom called them. And that's how come I knew we had a connection. That's why I got in touch with him. He told me a little bit more about the Underground Railroad in the area. And since then, he has published another book, and it's called First Explorer, found on Amazon. And in this book, what's important is that he talks about Franz Ludwig Michael, who comes on over from Switzerland. And what he's doing is he's checking out lands for people who are being denied religious freedom. So they're looking for new places to go. And he's going to scout all this out. But before he does that, it turns out he goes to Virginia. He goes and he meets the governor, and so he gets all this extra consideration. And while he's there, it turns out the governor's in Williamsburg, Virginia. He sketches out the Wren building. And this is really important, and it'll come up in the upcoming videos.